Wow, look at that rain. It's 10 o'clock and it's raining cats and dogs. Hey guys, look how hard it's raining. And look at that, Yana in the rain. Yana, what are you doing in the rain? Yana, you're playing in the rain. Aren't you afraid you're going to get sick? So this is Yana's first time to play in the rain. She's never done this before. I think she's gonna have to take a bath after this so she doesn't get sick. Oh, there's still a light. Do you want to dance in the rain? No. If you're already dancing in the rain. Here, take this. Take the GoPro. Vlog yourself.
Ew,
what is this? This soap?
Yeah.
Why are you...
We're gonna brush the wall.
You're going to brush this wall?
Yeah.
Here, Yana. You go talk to the camera and vlog yourself.
Why? Ew. It's so cold. Oh wow, is this waterproof? So yeah, I'm playing in the rain.
Yes, you are.
And it's so cold. Even Trixie's doing something.
You're moving the camera too much.
I know, and I don't care. I'm sweeping the floor.
So how you're sweeping the...
I don't know why.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Show it.
Pa! Hindi po kami nang bahala.
Okay.
Ano po?
Come
Sige na po, ano po?
Wipe the lens.
Okay na po.
Don't use too much soap. You're going to waste the soap. Oh, it's lightning. Oh, wow.
Di ba manigituan niya? Turun, turun.
Scared of lightning?
Lilig.
So you're getting rid of all that green stuff.
Moss.
No, it's not moss. It's actually bacteria. That's algae. It's called algae. So this green algae can be slippery. So that's why they're cleaning it off. Are you having fun already? Oh, that's a lot of soap, detergent.
Masama pa ano nilagay ko?
So Yana, are you done?
No.
Not that way. So, did you enjoy your time under the rain? Was it fun? Listen to that thunder. So, I hope you enjoy watching Yana clean and dance in the rain. So, there will be more videos of Yana. See you around next time. Yana, say goodbye. Yana. Yana. Now you're taking your bath with a hose.